Welcome to JC Stocks and Markets podcast for July 1st, 2023. Yeah, the year is half over. I'm JC. I've been investing in the stock market for 40 plus years. I made good trades and investments and some not so good. My intentions with these podcasts are to share my unique thoughts and opinions on individual stock and ETF picks with an emphasis on dividend-paying securities, which are my favorites. The idea is to share my thoughts and possibly give you, the listener, some investment ideas so you and I can maybe make some money. I'm not doing this for income, nor am I trying to earn any advertising revenue from anyone. I really just enjoy doing this. Hope to share some chances to make a little money with you. During some shows, we may stray into other topics or news that affect stocks or ETFs that we're discussing. That could include commentary on government politics, Federal Reserve policies, current events, or just things that go around in my head here. The opinions on these podcasts are my own, and they are just that, opinions. I invest in many of the stocks and ETFs that are featured in the podcast. I'll try to let you know if I have or will establish a position in these securities. Disclaimer, by all means, everyone has to do their due diligence prior to investing any money into anything. With these stock picks, it is no exception. Do your own due diligence. With that, let's go make some money. The company we're going to look at today is Gladstone Investment Corporation. GAIN is the ticker symbol. I do not own any gain, but I have in the past. I may establish a position, which I'll talk a little bit about later on here. It's a business development company. It specializes in lower middle market companies, mature stage companies, buys them out, operates them, reaps the benefits of the profitability, pays it out in dividends. It also refinances or finances debt securities for corporations. Let's see, the fund prefers to make debt investments of between $5 million and $30 million, and equity investments between $10 million and $40 million in companies. The fund seeks to invest companies in revenue between $20 million and $100 million. And the fund invests in companies with EBITDA from $3 million to $30 million. It seeks minority ownership and prefers a board seat in its portfolio companies. It also prefers to take a majority stake in its portfolio companies. The fund typically holds the investments for 7 years and exits via sale or recapitalization, so they can take the capital gains for that and pass that on to you, the investor. This is from the GAIN website. Basically, companies they invest in have the following characteristics: $4 million to $15 million in EBITDA, experienced management team, proven business model, predictable and stable cash flow with consistent earnings, minimal market risk, potential to expand cash flow, long-term consumer relationships, and they like the continental U.S. Is where they like to invest. They want to make money with mature companies, keep them for a while, and then, of course, sell them off when they're more valuable. Right now, they're invested in a few of these companies. This is just a few of them. Nectar Luxury Villas, which is high-end vacation villas. Educators Resource, they're one of the biggest, if not the biggest, corporation that makes and sells educational materials for classrooms and that sort of stuff. Managed Labor Solutions, that's of course a staffing company. J.R. Hobbs, that's a mechanical contractor. The Maids, you may have heard of them. That's a home cleaning service, very mature company. Gain, it looks like it's at around $13 a share. Actually, it's a little higher than that. This was taken on Thursday, I believe. Yeah, Thursday, and the market went up Thursday and Friday a bit. So, market cap is $434 million. It's not a big company. PE ratio is 12. Earnings per share cover the forward dividend and yield, and the yield's just about 8%. Their dividends have been very stable and have been growing little by little. Plus, they pay an additional, about every 6 months or a year, they pay a capital gains dividend, which enhances their payout and, of course, your return. Last chart I want to show you, it's kind of a technical why I'm thinking about buying into this stock gain. Gladstone's a great set of companies, but as you can see, it's oversold right now. It's at the lower end of the stochastics. It's also at the lower end of the Bollinger Bands, and you can see from the wedge there that it's bouncing off the bottom of a wedge triangle, and that could easily, the way I see it, looks like it's poised to bounce off the bottom, and it could go up substantially. Targets for this company are in the range of $14. It's not going to, you're talking $1 a share or something this year, but it could go much higher if the economy continues to do well and not go into recession. I think we'd be in good shape. This company here, if you held it long term, you could reinvest the dividends if it does go down and buy cheaper shares. It's a beauty, and it pays about 8%. So there's a real good return. The dividend is steady and continues to grow little by little over the years. With that, I'd like to thank you for listening. I may be buying gain, I might not. We'll see. I think I'm going to very soon, but I haven't pulled the trigger yet. Thank you for listening. I hope you got something out of this. JC's Stocks and Markets podcast. The intro and outro is a song that I wrote called She's the One, performed by a band that I used to play in, Just One Go. They did the magic. They were very talented people, and I miss them greatly, actually. And the song has a lot of meaning to me, so I hope you enjoy. Thank you for listening. Happy investing, and good luck. See you next time.
Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one. Yeah, she's the one. Yeah. Wasted all this time. She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Yeah, she's the one. She's the one. She's the one.